One of the most valuable things, I think, for folks is their home. They want to stay there. As the community ages and our citizens run into situations that make it difficult for them to stay in a home, we'd like to do something to help when that situation arises. We have an excellent program we put together, and it's done in cooperation with Brothers Redevelopment. They're a recognized quality nonprofit.
We administer this program, so we perform all the in-home assessments, we create the proposals. The city approves those proposals and funds it, and what it allows us to do is to go into a home and assess with the homeowner what their needs and issues are, whether it be a medical or chronic illness or an accident or just aging, and then we can address the home based on the structure and the issues they're having and kind of future-proof that for what's working now and what's going to work later.
Some examples of the type of work that can be done would include roll-in shower conversions, wheelchair ramps, wide tread exterior stairs, door widening for wheelchairs, grab bar installation, handheld shower installation, or carpet to solid surface flooring for mobility.
We've done full front entry ramps or side ramps, and we've removed a tub and put in a roll-in or a step-in shower for folks that are having a hard time getting in and out of that bathtub. That's a major fall risk area, so we try to do as much as we can around that as possible. It's part of our overarching mission at Brothers to provide affordable and accessible housing options. So anytime we can provide a housing option that's long-term accessible, that's a better environment, that's a safer community, that's a more stable community.
Things happen in life. Accidents on the job, injury or disease, just the fact that we age, and sometimes we need to help. And as a community, I think that's where Arvada wanted to be, that we can provide assistance to those so that they indeed can stay in their homes so long as they choose to do so, and to do so in a comfortable, safe, and in a manner they'll feel good about in staying there.